is my little sister Amanda.
And I'll go back.
So, she's wondering what are we gonna be making today since we already have the dough. If you saw a previous video, you'll probably know how to make the dough. So we're gonna skip that part. Okay, so now we have the dough. Guess what we're making, Amanda?
Buddy cookies?
Amanda, you've totally forgot about when I told you we were supposed to be making garlic knots today. So we have out the dough. Okay, so let's first massage the dough and make sure you put in some dry powder so that it can, if it's too sticky, you can use some. For these garlic knots, let's first start by shaping them. Okay, so let's start making a long line with your dough.
Mine's sticky though, fine.
Now we have a long line. We're gonna cut them into small pieces, not too big, Amanda. Oh, that's good. So I'm just marking up the shape so I don't get anything wrong. First, I'm gonna mark up the shape. Come on, Amanda. We have to make the garlic red. Make the marks first, Amanda. Okay, so they're supposed to look like this once you cut them. Okay. Okay, so you just cut down the middle, then you have a big piece. Great. Okay, now we have to roll it into like a wiggly jiggly worm. Now let's make a knot. So to make the knot, you just make a circle and put one string right through the middle. And then make sure you tighten it up. And then there you go, you have garlic knots. So because they're knots. So that's why they call it garlic knots. Remember that time I told you how to make the garlic sauce? Well, we made it now. You need the 3 ingredients, the garlic sauce, and the butter. And melt them all together. Now we just spread the garlic sauce on the garlic nuts, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Now we just spread the garlic on the garlic nuts. Now we have to spread.
And eat. Delicious.
Mommy, could we eat it?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Now after we spread it all, we're going to put them into the oven. Guess what temperature we're using today?
350?
No, that's the old one. Today we're using 400 degrees. I'm super excited because it tastes really good. I like to lick the garlic off first. They're yummy.